President Emerson Mnangagwa's true age has become a source of intrigue, with fresh revelations suggesting that the Zimbabwean leader may not have been born in 1942, as he has long claimed. Sana mina mashoko atukona pana pabudanyo kwa chinzi Mnangagwa caught in fake age scam anoti bo subscribe wala turn on the bell icon. Nyika Zimbabwe sinozo kuti amzara nhasi mutungamiri wenyika ri kukomemoreta kuzvarwa kwake kunzvimbo yemasvingo monyo kwamuchinzi munawo. State media today is flooded with congratulatory birthday messages celebrating Mnangagwa's supposed 82nd birthday. However, insiders allege that the president was actually born in 1938, making him 86 years old, 4 years older than his official age. In a bid to carry favor, ZANU-PF loyalists have been failing over themselves, sending effusive birthday wishes despite the cloud of doubt surrounding Mnangagwa's real birth year. Mnangagwa, who spent much of his early life in Zambia after his family fled Rhodesia due to their ties to revolutionary movement, he has yet to comment on the allegations. The age controversy raises further questions about the credibility of his public image as political elites scramble to protect his legacy. Tomasvika robuda panamba nyogwa muZimbabwe zvinzi mutungamiri wenyika ava nevanhu vemu the ruling party ZANU-PF vari kupusha age nhema vachiti mutungamiri ava ne82, but vari kuti vama-insiders vanonyatsa kuziva full information vanoti 86 years. Tudze mafunguro enye moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musano subscribe or like, channel turn on the bell icon.